Welcome to another edition of English Makes No Sense and a Fun with Words episode. What's the word? Well, we're going to start with this word and then we're going to move to these two words. Yeah, okay, Sarah, but what is the word? The word is R-I-D-I-C-U-L-E. Ridicule. 4 vowels. I know, that's a lot, right? Ridicule. Emphasis on the first word. Ridicule. What does ridicule mean? Ridicule is a noun, meaning a mockery. He felt the ridicule of his peers. He felt the mockery of his peers. Well, that's never nice. But ridicule can also be a verb, meaning to mock, to laugh out loud. And not LOL in a good way, is to mock, to make fun of. The critic ridiculed the performance of the play. The critic made fun of the performance of the play. Oh, nobody likes to be the object of ridicule, the verb. Got it. Now, take ridicule, drop the E, put an O-U-S, and you turn it into an adjective. What's an adjective? An adjective is a word that describes a noun. We've done nouns. You know nouns. Okay, so ridiculous. That's the adjective. Ridiculous. Now, the emphasis is on right here. Ridiculous. That's ridiculous. What does ridiculous mean? Ridiculous means worthy of mockery or absurd. His actions were ridiculous. The word ridiculous is describing his actions. Actions are the noun in that. His actions are ridiculous. They're absurd. They're worthy of making fun of. Got it. Now, take ridiculous and keep the S and add an ly, and now it becomes an adverb. What's an adverb? Great question. If an adjective describes a noun or an object, an adverb describes a verb. Okay, way to go. So it adds something to the verb. Ridiculously. 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 Say that one fast. Ridiculously. Got it. Ridiculously. What does it mean? So as to invite mockery. Oh, or unreasonably. For example, he ridiculously gave a crazy answer. He unreasonably gave a crazy answer. Or he ridiculously rode on thin ice. Oh, he rode a bike on thin ice. Maybe. It was ridiculously done. It was absurdly done. It was unreasonably done. Got it? Let's review. Ridicule, the noun, meaning a mockery. Ridicule, the verb, to mock or make fun of or to laugh out loud in a not so nice way. Don't ridicule people. It's not nice. Ridiculous is the adjective. Adjectives describe nouns. And that means worthy of mockery, worthy of making fun of, or absurd. Okay, and then take ridiculous and add an ly, and now the adjective becomes an adverb. And what's the adverb? So as to invite mockery or unreasonably. And how we pronounce it? Ridiculously. Ridiculously. Ridicule, ridiculous, ridiculously. Why does English have so many words that we keep building on that are oh so fun, but still so tricky to pronounce? I don't know, but now you can read and pronounce this sentence. I hope. It's hard not to ridicule a politician who is ridiculous and acts ridiculously. What? Come on, English. Let's do it one more time. You try it. It's hard not to ridicule a politician who is ridiculous and acts ridiculously. Come on, English. Ridiculously describes how they act. Ridiculous describes the politician. And in this case, ridicule is a verb. Got it? Hope this helps. Hope it helped build your vocabulary. Peace, friends. If you like what you see, hit subscribe. Okay? Go ahead. Do it. All right. Gotta go. Bye.